Hi, I'm Dr. Eller with Health First Chiropractic Clinic in Tahlequah, Oklahoma, and I'd like to speak to you today about heart health. This is the month of February, and everyone thinks about Valentine's Day and heart health during this month, so I'd like to give you some information and some tips about having better heart health. First of all, that the heart itself is about the size of an adult fist and weighs less than a pound. It's an electrical system that beats about 115,000 times per day and pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood, oxygenated blood throughout our bodies. There are certain contributing factors that help with the health of our hearts that we need to keep in mind. One, of course, is diet. It's important to have folate, B6 and B12 for the heart. If you're not getting enough in your foods, to take supplements for that. But a good source of some of that is leafy green vegetables and citrus fruits, and also fiber is another important thing to have. The citrus fruits for the vitamin C also. The other things that you need to do is to remember stress factors. We need to kind of limit stress in our lives as much as possible, emotional as well as physical, as that can have an effect on our blood pressure and our heart. So a good way of doing that is meditation, prayer, just relaxing and taking time to take time for yourself. Another thing is exercise. Our heart is a muscle, so therefore it needs to be exercised to stay healthy. A 15-minute brisk walk every day would be a good way to have that that kind of a healthy moderation in exercise, as well as doing other exercises at other times. But each day to at least do something, and also deep breathing to oxygenate our bloods. In the morning, take about 3 minutes and just take time to totally oxygenate your blood by taking in deep breaths and inhaling through the nose and exhaling through your mouth. And just remember throughout the day to take deeper breaths. A lot of times we shallow breathe, and therefore we don't get more oxygen into the system like we should. Another thing that we can do in our lifestyle is to remember that we need sleep, and so therefore sleep is a very important factor for healing. And 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night is something that you need to try to get in order for your body to be able to heal. The other thing to take care of us is to use chiropractic care. Chiropractic care can help with the heart because the nerves themselves that innervate the heart come from the level of T1 to T4. You can see in this right here where they come out, and the bundles, they go out to the heart and they control the heart. If there's some kind of a subluxation or nerve impingement there at that level, it can cause problems. And you can see that nerves go to all the organs in the body, but T1 to T4 is to the heart. And also, if we go up to the brain, we can see up here the brain stem, and that part goes down into the C1, C2 area. When we adjust up there, we're actually adjusting where the brain stem is, and in the medulla oblongata, that is where the blood pressure and our breathing, blood pressure, and heart rate, as well as other things, are communicated to the body. And if that is if it's subluxated or being pinched in any way, then it can cause problems. Scientific research has shown that chiropractic adjustments may help support the cardiovascular system by relieving nerve pressure that could lead to lowering your blood pressure, reducing your heart rate, and relieving chest pain, and even possibly preventing heart attacks. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you know of someone this can help, I hope you'll share it with them. Share, showing that you care, and have a happy Valentine's Day.